The Airedale Terrier is the largest of all terrier breeds. Their size, strength, and unflagging spirit have earned the Airedale Terrier the nickname the King of Terriers. The Airedale stands among the world's most versatile dog breeds and has distinguished himself as a hunter, athlete, and a loving family companion. Airedale Terriers were used throughout World War I as messengers, sentries, scouts, and guard dogs. The handsome coat of the Airedale Terrier has 2 layers. A top coat, which is dense and wiry, and an undercoat, which is short and soft. Males stand 23 inches tall and weigh about 50 to 65 pounds. Want to find out more about this rare but lovable breed? Give us a call today.